Josh.
I'm Quaid, and today we're going to be doing a calibration test on a Toro 5800G. For today, we're going to have a few issues with our sprayer. Unfortunately, one nozzle's busted and one nozzle's plugged up, so our test is going to be skewed. And we're going to be doing our test today with our product, which is going to be water. And now we're going to throw it off to Luther on how to fire up the sprayer.
Okay, before starting the sprayer, there's a few things we have to cover, such as your personal protective equipment. You'll want things like eye protection, hearing protection, and steel toe boots. Now, depending on the product you're spraying, you'll want a respirator, rubber gloves, and maybe a hazmat suit. But for calibrating with water, we do not need those things. So before pulling out of your parking spot with the sprayer, you want to do a walk around. Make sure there is nothing in the way that will impede on you driving out of your spot. You also want to check the tire pressure to make sure that your tires all have air in them and are not low. You also want to check the oil level to make sure you have oil in the machine before starting it, and your hydraulic fluids. We're going to get on with the calibration process. To begin this process, we're going to start the sprayer. You want to ensure that your park brake is on. So then, once your screen comes on, you will hold the far right button, which will bring up your info tab. You want to scroll down to calibration and select the second far right button to go into calibration. So at this point, you want to lower your booms. Once your booms have been lowered, you enter the flow page. It'll tell you to fill your sprayer to 150 gallons, which we have done prior to this. So you can go to the next page. You will select the type of nozzles that you have installed on your sprayer booms. So we have whites installed, so we will enter into the white nozzles. It will ask you to proceed to set the manual mode, which is this button right here. So you put it to the hand for manual. Then turn your sprayer pump on, which is this button right here, so that the light is on. You want to ensure your agitation is off, which is the button next to it, so there's no light on, which means it is off. Then you want to set your engine to full throttle. And then go to the next page. That your pressure is at 40 psi. So to bump it up or down, we use this button right here. So we need to go up. So you bump it up to about 40 psi, which we're now at. And then we can turn on the sprayer booms and begin spraying.
Okay, now we're going to move on to our nozzle calibration. So first we want to approach our bypass valve. We're going to want to make sure that this valve is open. And then we're going to measure each nozzle for 10 seconds. Okay, we're going to measure that for each of the 12 nozzles, and then we can determine our average nozzle output.
Now that Josh has filled the one graduated cylinder, we will go to the next page where it will tell us how much water we should have in the cylinder for the amount of time that we used it. So it's saying at 40 psi's, we should have 17 ounces of water. So now let's find out how much water Josh has in the graduated cylinder.
Okay, so we had approximately 590 milliliters, which converts to about 20 ounces.
So Josh has 20 ounces of product in the cylinder, and we want to get to 17 ounces. So at 40 psi is too much, so we need
adjusted our PSI accordingly, let's recheck our nozzle calibration. Okay, now we'll go and measure this and see how it correlates.
So now that we have our desired 17 ounces rate out of our nozzles, we will go to the next step. So now we will do the 3-minute test, which calibrates all the nozzles output, and it'll give you a desired amount that you want to reach coming out of all your nozzles to make sure they're all spraying evenly. So now, after the 3-minute calibration, we are successful.
Thanks for watching our sprayer calibration video on the Toro Multi Pro 5800G.